Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As most of you must already be aware about the fact that Nykaa is having their hot pink sale starting from today, which is 22nd of July, and the sale usually goes on for around about 4 to 5 days, so you can expect up to 40% discount on more than 100 makeup and skincare brands that are available on Nykaa. So now, as there are a lot of products that are available on discount and would be available on discount for these 4 to 5 days, so it can be a little overwhelming as to like what to buy and what not to buy. So in today's video I would like to talk about few of my recommendations that I would like to share with you guys regarding the makeup and skincare products that are available on an amazing discount on Nykaa. So of these products I have already tried myself, and the other few of them I would be buying during this hot pink sale, as there are a lot of products that I would be talking about today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I would be talking about makeup as well as skincare in this video, but because I inclined a little more towards the makeup items, so I would start this video with my makeup recommendations. So the first product that I personally am really excited about, not personally for buying because I already have that product, but to share with you guys, and that is none other than Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I have done a full video on this beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I have created 5 different looks using this one single palette. Now the palette retails for 400 rupees, which is obviously like way too pricey, but during this hot pink sale you can get this particular eyeshadow palette on a 40% discount for as low as just 32-25 rupees. Now I know that you would say that even 3200 rupees is not an amazing price for an eyeshadow palette, but considering the quality of the eyeshadow palette and the actual MRP of the eyeshadow palette, I would actually like to tell you that this is a great deal on this particular eyeshadow palette. As I said, I have already done a video on this particular eyeshadow palette where I have shared 5 different looks using this one palette, but way more than 5 looks can easily be created using this one single palette. So I would personally highly recommend this palette as it is on an amazing discount of 40%. Now, because we are talking about the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, my next recommendations would also be the Huda Beauty palettes, but they are not the full size palettes, they are actually their mini obsession palettes. 2 of the mini obsession palettes from Huda Beauty are going on a flat 50% discount during this hot pink sale, and I have not tried any of them, but I certainly do have my eyes on both of these eyeshadow palettes. The 2 mini obsession eyeshadow palettes that you can buy on a 50% discount during the Nykaa's hot pink sale is the one in shade khaki, and the second one is in the shade purple. I have had my eyes on both of these eyeshadow palettes since a long time, but I didn't want to spend 2400 rupees on these palettes, so I am really glad that I waited, because now I can buy 2 of these palettes for the price of 1. So yes, if you are into purples or even khakis, then I would highly recommend these eyeshadow palettes, as these are amazing in quality and they do have an amazing pigmentation. I already have 2 of the obsession palettes from Huda Beauty, and I have done full videos on both of those eyeshadow palettes. If you are interested in seeing those particular videos, then you can find them in the description box down below. I would be linking each and every product that I'm talking about right now, as well as all the videos that I'm mentioning right now in the description box down below. Do not forget to check out the description box if you're interested in any of the particular products. Now the next 2 products that I would recommend you buying during this hot pink sale are from the brand Kay Beauty. I have said multiple times during my videos that I love Kay Beauty. I love the quality of the products, I love their packaging, I love everything about this brand, but there are certain products that I love a little more than the others, and most of their products would be on a good discount during this particular sale. Now Kay Beauty usually goes on a 10 to 15% discount on a few of their items, but this time the discount is a little more than it usually is. This time the products would be on a good 35 to 40% discount, and the products that I would like to suggest are their foundation, foundation, which is like the K Beauty foundation, which is on a 40% discount, as well as their blushes, which are on 35% discount. Now I am not exactly sure whether all the shades of foundation or whether all the shades of blushes would be on discount or not, but if you are eyeing on a certain particular shade from the foundation as well as the blush line, then I would suggest you just having a look out for that particular shade and grab the shade if you can get a 35 or a 40% discount on that particular one. I personally have tried both the foundation as well as the blushes from K Beauty, and I genuinely love both of them. The other products from K Beauty would also be going on a good like 30 to 40% discount. So apart from the foundation and the blushes, if you are interested in maybe the matinee matte lipsticks from K Beauty, then even few of the shades of that particular lipstick are on a good discount. Now apart from the K Beauty foundation, there is one more foundation that I have showed a lot of times in my videos, and I enjoy using that affordable foundation on my day-to-day basis, and that is by the brand Maybelline, and it is their Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation. Now this foundation is priced at rupees 549, which already seems pretty affordable, but during the sale you can buy this foundation for a good 35% discount, and if you are interested in the Fit Me concealer as well, then it is on a 25% discount. I personally use the combination of this foundation and concealer in a majority of my videos, and that is the one that I'm currently actually wearing on my face. So if you are interested in buying a good everyday foundation which is affordable, then I would highly recommend the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Fit Me foundation. Now apart from these regular makeup products that are already available in Nykaa, there are certain kits that are specifically designed for this sale, or that are actually exclusive to Nykaa, I would say. One of such exclusive sets is by Smashbox, and it is a set which contains two of their mini always on liquid lipstick. Now Smashbox had one of such sets earlier also, but this is a special set that is curated in collaboration with Malvika Sitlani. She is a huge name on YouTube, and the brand Smashbox collaborated with her and came up with this particular set which contains two of the lipsticks. One would be the shade Driver's Seat, which is a warm pink shade, and the second shade you will get in this particular set is called Babe Alert, and it is a nudie rose kind of a shade. Now you wouldn't get just these two mini lipsticks in this particular set, but you will also be getting a mini primer free with this particular set, which actually retails for 850 rupees. Now this set, which contains two mini lipsticks and the mini primer, is retailed at just 1090 rupees. So if you are someone who always wanted to try the liquid lipsticks from Smashbox but found the Smashbox lipsticks a little on the pricier side, then this is a very good opportunity for you to try the formula of these lipsticks before actually investing in a full size lipstick. I also have two shades from this Smashbox liquid lipstick collection. Both the shades that I have are actually in full size, and I absolutely adore these particular shades. So I know how the formula on these lipsticks was, and that is the reason I know that getting three products for the price range of 1099 rupees from Smashbox is an amazing deal. Now another Luxe kit that is available on an amazing deal during this hot pink sale is by the brand Bobbi Brown, and it is their all set to glow kit. Now this particular kit contains two products. One of them is their highlighter and the other one is their vitamin enriched face base. Now I have the highlighter from Bobbi Brown as well as the face base, and trust me, both of them are really pricey. They do work nicely, but they are certainly on a higher price range. In this particular set you get to try the mini versions of the highlighter as well as the vitamin enriched base for a little over 2200 rupees, which means that each individual product you can grab for 1100 rupees. Now yes, it is not a full size product, it is their mini version, but I don't think anyone actually needs a full highlighter because it is Bobbi Brown. If you'll go to buy the full size of both of these, you can easily spend way more than 4000 rupees in getting both of these products. And so according to to me, this set is a very good deal to try Lux products on not so Lux price. Now another combo that I personally am really excited about is a MAC and a Clinique combo, and this is not a special combo which is curated for this particular sale. A mini size MAC Meher lipstick as well as a Clinique Moisture Surge in a 100 ml tub usually retails as a combo 2000 rupees, but during this sale you can grab the combo of these two products for as low as 1400 rupees. I personally have tried both Clinique Moisture Surge as well as MAC Meher, and I do have a full size of MAC Meher, so I personally may not be buying this particular combo. But if you want to try any of these products, then the price range of 1400 rupees for both of this product is a great deal. Apart from all the combos that I've already mentioned, there is one more combo, and it is by the brand Becca. Now I personally have never tried anything from Becca, but I have heard so many good things about the brand, specifically their highlighters, and that is what this particular combo is all about. This particular limited edition Becca double the highlighter kit contains two mini highlighters from the brand Becca, and it is their most famous shades of highlighters, which is Champagne Pop and Moonstone. Both of these highlighters are really famous ones, and you can grab the mini version of both of these highlighters for as low as just 2100 rupees. Now before transitioning into the skincare recommendations that I have, I would specifically like to mention about the Nykaa Beauty Box, which is one of the specially curated box containing 14 products. I have tried one of these beauty boxes in the past and actually have done a full review video on that. So if you want to see that what kind of products you can expect in this box and how does it look like and everything, then I would be linking that video in the description box down below and as well as somewhere on the I button, so you can go and see what you can expect with this box. This particular box is specially curated for these hot pink sales, and as I said, they contain 14 products which in total have a retail price of more than 4900 rupees. But because this is a box which is specially curated for the sale, you can grab all the 14 products nicely packed in a beautiful big pink box for just 1800 rupees. The products you would be getting in this particular box are actually mentioned on the website. If you are interested in buying those products, then I would suggest not buying them individually but buying the full box, because that is a better deal. Like obviously you are getting products worth rupees 4900 for just 1800 rupees. So yes, this definitely is a good deal. So just go to the website, check out the products that you will be getting in this box, and if you are interested in trying most of the products that are present in the box, then you should definitely go for this beauty box especially curated for this sale. Now enough about the makeup products. For the skincare products, my first recommendation would again be a kit, and it is from the brand Mamaearth. I have never been sponsored by the brand Mamaearth, but I have actually tried a lot of products from them and I have loved most of the products from them. I haven't got a chance to try their rice water range, and that is what I am recommending to you right now, and this is actually one of the sets that I have my eyes on. This Mamaearth rice water hair combo set contains 3 products with an MRP of 1097 rupees, but because this is a part of the sale, you can get all the 3 products for as low as 749 rupees. I personally am really interested in buying this particular combo, and if you too are interested in trying the rice water range from Mamaearth, then this is the perfect combo to go for. Now apart from Mamaearth, another brand that I have been loving these days is the brand Dot & Key. I have tried a lot of products from Dot & Key, and currently I am using their day cream and night cream, and I am absolutely loving both of the products. So Dot & Key have a kit by the name Glow Champ 5-in-1 Travel Kit, which contains 5 of their mini size products, and they call them a travel kit because all the products are actually mini sized and they are really good to travel with. This particular combo actually retails for 1855 rupees, but during the sale you can get this particular combo for just 1345 rupees. So if you are interested in trying a lot of Dot & Key products and you are not exactly sure about how would you like these products, then trying 5 of these products for 1345 rupees is a great option. Now the next skincare kit that I would like to talk about to you guys is by the brand Tony Moly, and it is their head to toe combo. This contains something for your face, something for your eyes, something for your lips, and even a product for your teeth. This particular combo is actually priced at rupees 1200, but you can get this for as low as 720 rupees during the sale. So if you've always been interested in trying Tony Moly products but have never done so because of the price range, then this might be a very good opportunity for you. Now this was majorly all about the skincare product. Now the next couple of products that I have are kind of essentials for me. The first one is by the brand Gillette, and obviously it's their razor. I have been using Gillette's razor for shaving my body for almost like 1.5 years now. I used to go for waxing, but during the lockdown it wasn't possible, and that was the time when I started using the Gillette razor. Now I honestly haven't looked back. I love the fact that I do not have to go for getting myself waxed again, and it is very convenient and very easy to use. During the sale you can buy the Gillette Breeze razor as well as one of its blades, which usually retails for 675 rupees or as low as 350 rupees, which is like it's almost a half the price. And because as I said, I am using this particular razor for almost 1.5 years now, I am sure that I am going to buy this particular product. Now the last product that I have is not exactly a makeup product or a skincare product, but it is something for your hair. Now I actually haven't included any shampoo or a conditioner or even a hair mask in this particular video because I do not stick to any particular shampoo, conditioner or hair mask, and I keep on trying different products because I haven't found something which I personally love a lot. But there is something that I am having these days for the health of my hair, and that is the Power Gummies. These 60 capsules of Power Gummies actually retail for 1200 rupees, which is a lot of money for a month of Power Gummies, but it is a very easy way to add biotin in your diet, and they are certainly very cute looking and tasty. These gummies are on a good 10 to 15% discount during the sale, and this is the time that I would be buying a few of them to save money in long run. So yes, these were the precise recommendations that I have for you guys for the products you can go for during this hot pink sale. But apart from these particular products, if I talk about certain brands in general, I would love to mention the brand Huda Beauty, most of the products from which would be on a very good discount, and I personally love their matte lipsticks as well as their liquid lipsticks. So if you're interested in trying the matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks or maybe any other product from Huda Beauty, then this actually is the right time to buy. Apart from Huda Beauty, even Charlotte Tilbury is on a 10% discount. Now Charlotte Tilbury products are way too pricey, and that is the reason I personally do not buy them. Charlotte Tilbury would also be on a 10% discount. 10% discount might not seem a lot as compared to the price range of the Charlotte Tilbury products, but if you are interested in trying Charlotte Tilbury products and you can get a 10% discount, then why go for the full price and why not go for the discount that is available. The last brand that I would like to mention is Bath & Body Works. I have talked about the brand a lot of times. I have recently shared my fragrance mist collection from Bath & Body Works. They are having their semi-annual sale right now, and a lot of products are actually on a very good additional discount during this hot pink sale. So if you are interested in buying anything particular from Bath & Body Works, then you should definitely check out Nykaa's website, as you might get a better deal on Nykaa. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope this recommendation video was helpful for you guys. If you tend to buy any product on my recommendations, then I would love to know about that. Please do let me know about that in the comment section down below. And if you like today's video and would like to see more such videos on my channel, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Happy shopping. Namaste.